Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your downloaded videos on YouTube Kids. So if you already download videos for offline viewings on the YouTube Kids apps but you cannot find them, so the location is actually slightly hidden, but here I'm going to show you how you can find it. So in here, what you need to do on the YouTube Kids home screen, you can just click on the Your Stuff options in here. And here, as you guys can see, there are three tabs that you can select it, watch it again, share it, and of course, download. So this is where your downloaded videos are located. As you guys can see, I have three videos in here. And if you want to, let's say, delete the old downloads, you can just click on the three dots icon on the video and choose to delete from downloads. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next video.